Hello and welcome to our review of SiteGround, one of the top web hosting providers in 2023. In this video, we'll be covering the features, pros, and cons of SiteGround to help you decide if they are the right hosting provider for your business. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit subscribe button and don't forget like and share this video. First, let's talk about the features that SiteGround offers. SiteGround is known for their fast and reliable servers, which are optimized for speed to ensure that your website loads quickly and efficiently for your visitors. They also have advanced security measures in place, including firewalls and SSL certificates, to protect your website and your customers' data. In addition, SiteGround offers automatic malware detection and removal to keep your site safe and secure. SiteGround has a wide range of hosting plans to fit the needs of businesses of all sizes, including shared, cloud, and dedicated server solutions. They also offer a range of additional features, such as unlimited email accounts and free site migration, to ensure that your website is running smoothly and efficiently. Plus, SiteGround is committed to sustainability and uses eco-friendly practices to minimize their carbon footprint. Now let's discuss the pros of using SiteGround as your web hosting provider. One of the standout pros is the fast loading times that SiteGround servers offer. This is important for businesses, as slow loading times can negatively impact your search engine rankings and drive potential customers away. SiteGround also has excellent security measures in place and a top-notch customer support team that is available 24/7 to help you with any issues or questions you may have. They also offer a wide range of hosting plans and additional features to fit the needs of businesses of all sizes. Finally, SiteGround is committed to sustainability, which is a great benefit for businesses that prioritize social responsibility. There are also a few cons to consider when deciding on SiteGround as your web hosting provider. Some customers have reported occasional issues with uptime, and SiteGround's prices may be higher than some other hosting providers. However, it's important to consider the value of the features and services that SiteGround offers, as well as their commitment to sustainability, when deciding on a hosting provider. In conclusion, SiteGround is a reliable and feature-rich web hosting provider that is well worth considering for your business. With fast speeds, advanced security measures, excellent customer support, and a commitment to sustainability, they are a top choice for businesses looking for a high-quality hosting solution. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, and secure web hosting provider, look no further than SiteGround. With a wide range of hosting plans and top-notch customer support, SiteGround has everything you need to get your website up and running smoothly. Plus, with their commitment to sustainability, you can feel good about choosing SiteGround for your hosting needs. Try SiteGround today and see for yourself why they are a top choice for businesses of all sizes. Click the link below this video and get up to 80%. Thank you for watching our review of SiteGround.